Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Davish Gaikwad and welcome to Kaka's International School.
Thank you so much.
Today, I am going to ask you a few questions about chartered accountants. So, can I ask?
Yeah, sure.
First, what is chartered accountants?
Okay, let's say your dad does business or your mom earns, they do a job, and the government wants to know how much income each of Indian citizens earn or in any country whatsoever. So, a chartered accountant, what it does is it understands what the people are earning and it provides the data to the government. And in the same way, the people they calculate the taxes and pay to the government. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I put it in as simple way as possible for you.
Ma'am, that's great actually. So, moving on to the next question, what are some common career paths for CA?
Okay, so a CA can work as I suggested in taxation. It can calculate the taxes, maybe direct or indirect taxes, or it can work in auditing. The big companies you hear, Infosys, Wipro, these companies, they get their books audited. What do you mean by auditing? Checking the books, how the books of accounts are maintained. We as chartered accountants check the books for them and provide the assurity to the government that these books are correct. So auditing, taxation, or being a corporate advisor, any which ways. All these are available.
Common paths.
Yes.
It's very good to know about. Moving on to the next. If you don't mind, why do we need chartered accountants?
Okay. Seeing the population of our nation, how will the government get to know what's the nation earning? Or are they paying the right taxes? See, everything requires money. So the nation provides us with facilities like roads, airplanes, the pathways, everything. So these facilities are provided through the taxes you pay. So that's why we are the mediator between government and the people.
Moving on to the last question, that's for me only. I would love to know how can I become a chartered accountant?
Okay, so you can become a chartered accountant after your 10th standard. Once you complete your 10th, you can choose a background as commerce. You know, you have two fields to choose: commerce, science, and arts. You have to choose commerce. You have to complete your 11th, and along with 12th, you can start the study for CA Foundation, which is the level 1. Once you clear level 1, then there are level 2, which is CA Inter. Once you clear CA Inter, you have to complete 2 years of articleship, that is internship under a CA in any CA, and then you have to complete CA Final. Once you complete CA Final, you will become a chartered accountant.
Thank you, ma'am. Now my friend Spruha will ask you
Sure.
questions.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Pruha Amalguratka and I am studying in grade 7. Today, I will ask you some question about Chartered Accountant CA. So, shall I proceed?
Sure.
How do you stay updated with changing tax, laws and regulations?
See, there is something called as CPE hours, which is compulsory in our profession. Our institute makes sure that all the CAs are up to date. CPE means continuous learning. So we have to attend all the seminars. We have to stay up to date with all the notifications that come, because every year the government brings up with new updated notifications. You know GST, right?
Yes.
So GST was introduced in 2017. After that till date, there are many changes in GST which comes regularly. So we have to stay updated to provide proper service to our clients.
That's very nice, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to know about your experience while working with clients.
Okay. So yes, there are variety of clients. We have some clients which will provide you data up to date within the time, and all we have to do is go through the data. We have to check the data and provide them the financials. But there are some clients which will have to stay behind them, give them a number of reminders, and stay patient with them for all the information that you require. Because you understand, without their information, we cannot provide a financial statement. We need everything: their bank statements, their everything. So there are a variety of clients which you have to face, and it's a very interesting job because every day you have to experience new different things for every client. Someone is a doctor, someone is a businessman, someone is a self-earned professional. So we have the facility to meet various peoples and experience various things. Yes.
That's really nice experience, ma'am. Ma'am, can you explain the difference between saving and investing?
Okay. Let's say you have earned 100 rupees. You expense out 50 rupees. Now you have 50 rupees left. What you do is, if you keep them in your saving account, you don't do anything, you're just keeping them in your account. That's just saving. That's something that you have saved for yourself, for your petty expenses. What is investing? Out of that 50 rupees, 10 rupees you put into FD, that is fixed deposit, which you won't get for another 6 months, 1 year, or 3 years. That is called investing, in which you will get returns. Or you know something called as mutual funds? Have you heard the advertises or something?
Yes.
Mutual funds are nothing but shares of companies. So we can invest in those as well. Shares of various companies. We can invest in FDs, mutual funds. Gold is also an investment, because someday you'll know that investment will earn you much more money than what it already is today. So investment is nothing but something which will give you return at a future date. Saving will not give you any returns. It will just be a saving for yourself.
Well, that's really helpful for me, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to know about your family support.
Okay. Just know, without my family support, I wouldn't have become a CA. My younger sister is also CA.
Wow.
So it speaks a lot about our family. It's not an easy course to do. So many times we break down. It's for 5 months I had sit at home without any contact to my relatives or my friends or phone. 5 months without any phone. I had to sit at home and study for the CA final. So this is the point of time where you require family support from your parents, from your siblings. They support you to not get disturbed. And many times when you break down, my dad said, "Nahi ho raha hai, it's okay, don't do it." That's the support you need. You do not need any pressure from them. So I dedicate all my success to my parents.
Ma'am, your family is really supportive indeed.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for coming here and giving your guidance.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I hope I did some help to you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And you can contact me anytime if you have any.
Thank you.
Thank you,
miss.
ma'am.